How to stop your iPad from receiving text messages. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your iPad. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on General, which is located on bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on General, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Messages. After clicking on Messages, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find iMessage located on right side. Turn that off and you're good to go. You'll stop receiving text messages, and that's how you stop your iPad from receiving text messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.